I'm back. I'm going to do another card opening, and here's my thumbnail. Let me get it. Okay, got my thumbnail. First, I'm going to open up 2022 baseball Kansas City Royals team set. So I actually went to the White Sox and Royals game on Wednesday the 18th. And I actually got an autographed ball by most of the team. I'll show that next video. But let's see who we have here. Salvador Perez, Andrew Benintendi, Greg Holland, Drake Brent, Hunter Dozier. I actually don't have a card of him so far, and that is my first card of him. Mike Minor, Whit Merrifield, Carlos Santana, Alberto Mondesi, Carlos Hernandez, Hunter Alberto, Brady Singer, Michael Taylor, Daniel Lynch, and Ryan Hearn, Jackson Kowar. I might have this card already, I'll check. And I have this one, but autographed. I got it autographed by Nicky Lopez himself. So I think I got 2 doubles in there. Okay, so I got this blaster box also at the gift shop. It's 8 packs. Well, it says there's 7 packs, but then there also says 1 extra pack. And you can find real one relics and autographs in here. So I'm not going to take a look at the odds because it doesn't really matter to me. These packs are super nice. Oh man, 9 cards in each, 8 packs. 8 times 9 equals 72, so I get 72 cards per box of a blaster box of Heritage. Okay, this is my first pack. Let's see who we have on here. We have number 17 on the Angels for our yeah. I'm kind of going to be saying some stuff about, it's actually different packs. That's really cool. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. We've got Paul Goldsmont, Connor Joe, Racel Angeles, Jesse Winker, Altano Senzita, Pete Alonso, Pavin Smith, JD Martinez. Ooh, as a cup, All-Star rookie, Aldelis Garcia. Alright, that was our first pack. I'm probably going to tape this because I'm going to put all different players and Heritage packs on my wall with my Bowman pack and then my Topps Chrome. So I'll be putting one of these on my wall. Our next pack is 2 White Sox guys. Wait, no, not White Sox, Red Sox. I'll also be hanging this one up because it is a different players than last time. Yes, guys, I do collect the packs. For wondering, and okay, there'll probably be another round of this, but this one's not going to be the one I hang up. Oh, that one just got jacked. Jimmer Condor Aro. Oh, another all-star rookie. Patrick Wisdom. Wait, what am I doing? I'm supposed to put them in there. What the heck? Galvin Looks. Oh, I do see something, but it's backwards. Dylan Moore. Lars Newtbar. Kyle Seager. Boom. Seager. My first Royals card. Let's see. Alberto Mondesi. Anthony, and then. Okay. I have some really good cards so far. Let's get up the magic here. Let's hope we can find an autograph. Or, I mean, there's probably going to be one Troutster in each box, so. Let's hope we find our Troutster in here pretty soon. And think about it, guys. Mike Trout is the best in baseball right now. That will be going with my number 17 on the Angels. Mike Minor, there's my second Kansas City Royals. With my first sideways card, Mick Mahan. I know some people are not a fan of the sideways, but I really like him. Lewis Brinson. Riz Hoskins. Whit Merrifield. Carlo Stanton. Flashback 1973. Endangered Species Act Pass. What is this?
What is it? Let me see.
What is that?
It's a flashback to when the Endangered Species Act was passed by Congress.
This isn't a baseball card.
Fair.
You know what, Dave? I'll actually give this to you.
Oh, no.
David Williams.
Oh, my gosh.
That's not the thing you want to see in a baseball card box. Brandon Woodruff. Wait. Oh, shoot. I probably don't get an autograph now. That is not a relic card, I don't think. Got our next player is somebody on the Phillies. Wait, who was this that I broke? Oh, yeah, we'll be getting that one again. That pack again. If you hear footsteps, it's... Oh, sorry. That, guys, sorry. Sorry, no, she will not be on my videos anymore.
Why can't Sissy be on your videos?
Because my YouTube channel. Now, wanna go? Get back to your nap.
No.
Get back to your nap. You know what? I'm restarting this.
I'm in your journal.
Be gentle.
I'm in your journal.
Okay, come on, cutie. I'll go tuck you in.
No. Guys, don't mind that. Don't mind that. Yes, I have siblings.
No.
Okay.
You have one sibling.
Okay.
No.
We have one sibling, sorry.
You have to go potty?
All right, we have Chris
We're in the video.
Bassett,
When backstage makes it on the
Dustin
video.
Garneau, Ryan Jeffers, and by the way, that was scripted. I wanted them to just run out, seriously. Trevor Rogers, Hunter Dozier. Oh, World Game 2 Series. It's let's see who this is. This card did not make it well. 2020, yeah. It's a World Series card. That's pretty good. Jackson Kowar. Diddy Gregorius. Dylan Cease. Let's hope we can find my Trout pretty soon. And plus, if I get a autograph. Jeff McNeil. Austin Medals. And plus, I need to find a Wander Franco. James Caperin. So we need to find Mike Trout and Wander Franco still in this. Or it's a ripoff. Or autograph. Nathan Neal. Plus, this is my first Heritage, so. Ian Happ. So I'll have a bunch of Heritage now. Grow. Oh, they're very similar cards. I was like, hey, isn't that the same card? Wait. I felt like there was gum on here. Christian Yelich. Caleb Sealbar. I think I might have that one already. DJ. Lord Des. Girl Jr. Okay. Do not break. Do not break. Because I want to hang up this with my packs in my room. And let's hope one of these packs will be finding Auto, Troutster, Wander Franco, Mike Trout, maybe even, I don't like that flashback card. Like, no. No way, Jose, I will be keeping that. No. Don't like it. Trent Grisham. Mike, oh, I thought it was Mike Trout for a second. Mike Soroka. George Polanco. Thero Estrada. Ryan Yarbrough. Seth Beer. Oh, New Age Performers. Josiah Gray. Oh, here's another World Series card. I don't know how rare those are, but I really like them. Max Kranick. I really like Heritage. So I'll be opening up more Heritage on my channel, just so you know. Plus, I will be doing on Saturdays, I'll be doing card openings, and I'm thinking about if I want to do normal channel stuff Sundays, but no, I think I'm just going to do card openings on Saturdays. So, this is for you guys. No joke. Let's hope we can find a Troutster in last two final packs, so let's hope we can find my Troutster. Or I'll be super mad because I wanted a Trout. Josh Rojas. Let's hope we can find Trout. Sonny Gray. Oh, Dominic Smith. Charlie Morton. Come on. Jose Alto. Martin Maldonado. No way. Will Smith. No way. Hold on. I gotta go show backstage this. I'm gonna put it right there. Adam Wainwright. Wilson Contreras. Okay, final pack. Let's hope we can find Trout, Wander, or an auto. Probably won't be finding auto because of this junk right here. This junk, I don't want it. So, Wander, Trout, auto. But still, I got some pretty good cards. Some pretty good Royals. Kevin Gausman. Oh, I just saw Angels card. Really thought it was him. Jared Walsh. George Alfaro. Andrew Volgen. Carlos Rodin. I see something. Michael Taylor. Tris Speaker. That is a cool card right there. The all-time Devils leader. Come on. 2021 stolen base leaders. But Merrifield's on that. Photo Brew Jan. So, we did not pull an autograph or a Trout or anything else. I'm kind of disappointed we didn't get a Trout. And really switching this, I don't know. I don't like this. Okay, I just don't like this. So 71 cards right here. 70 cards right here, so it looks like I'll be getting around 71 cards. But yeah, that's the end. Yeah, I'll be opening another card box next week, and I'll see you in the next video.